Yeah, steaming like crazy. No problem though, I ain't worried. Oh look, the sun's out. Right folks, so welcome back to another video. We have got a new battery there. It's for that little beast over there, which we are going to be doing a video on today. And the sun's in my face. Let me walk around there and try not to slip. Yes, this is all a mess now. Been raining straight for a week, so it's turned into a little muddy field. Now you're probably wondering what happened there. So if you saw in the other video, if you haven't watched it, go back and check it out, where we revealed why this car is even here. We jump started it and it turned on, so that was a good sign, you know what I mean? I thought, okay, the car works. So what did I do? I locked it and left it for a few days, and I tried unlocking it, car's dead. Ordinarily when your battery's dead, you think, okay, how am I going to get in the car? So okay, let's use this here. Nope. Yeah, the manual thing doesn't work either. So what you think, or on the other side, but there isn't another keyhole on the other side. So basically we're stuck, couldn't get in the car. So the only way to get in is to take the badge off, and you've got to shove something in there and fiddle about with the latch and then pop it open. So as you can see, I managed it. So this was about to become the locked GTI as well as the dead GTI. So yeah, as you saw, I've went and bought a battery to prevent any of this happening, so I don't have to jump start it every time I want to make a video. But yeah, the plan is to give you a run through of all the mods on this car. From what I've been told, it's a stage 2 car, so that gives you an idea of the sort of mods that's on it. It is a KO3. What we'll do first, we'll get the battery fitted. See what's in here at the moment. X side. There we go. Some Lion batteries from Eurocar bots, nothing fancy. £62 it cost me. I'm not gonna show you how to take a battery out, I'm sure you know that. 2 connections there, we'll whack it in and see what's what. Check the oil, still is okay, it's kind of full. This incline is a bit strange, but I haven't spotted any leaks because I did park it there for a few days. But yeah, this will be changed over in 1, 2, 3. All right, so new battery's in. Now here's another interesting thing with this car. Since the battery went flat after the last video, this happened off camera. I might have some clips, but I don't know. If I do, I'll put them in. But yeah, essentially when that happened, and before this whole bonnet lock picking situation, that door now, even with the jump started battery, does not open. Look at this. So now it's locking and unlocking, yeah? If this opens now, I'll be very surprised. There you go. Doesn't open. Now if you go around here, oh, look at life. The car's got life in it. By the way, before we carry on and start the car up, I want you to do something for me. Go down and hit subscribe. The channel is going very fast. If you like seeing videos on cars like this, and that Civic Type R over there, which is getting turboed very soon, make sure you go down and hit subscribe. I'm out here getting in cars from the passenger side just for the channel, man. You gotta subscribe for that. There we go. Let me just move those documents quickly, otherwise some of you guys are gonna be doing research on me. We'll turn it on and move it over there because I want to show you the exhaust, and then we're gonna jack it up and show you some of the parts on this, because trust me, you're gonna be surprised when I tell you what's underneath this thing. Look at the struggle, man. Life. There's life. Oh yes, all good. Let's close this bonnet now. We can't technically call it the dead GTI, but what other name can I give? Because I've already got this one here, so if I just say GTI, you guys are going to get confused. So this will remain the dead GTI until it's proven itself. Now this is going to be a tricky one. I need to get onto that side. I don't know if you guys have noticed, I'm actually quite tall, so it's going to be a bit of a struggle to get in from there. Use my dignity right about now. Oh, this is going to be hard, man. I need a small person here ideally, don't I? Here we go. There's a boot open. Oh, you know, I'm going to leave the boot open, man. I ain't getting out here now. Look at this manual, lads. If the light is poor here, don't worry, move forward. Look at this. Dead GTI drives, mate. I don't understand this car. I thought it was like fully, like, you know, clapped or something, but it's got a lovely exhaust. You're probably saying, why haven't you shown us the bloody mods yet? I want to show you that it moves first and leave it turned on for a bit. We do need to sort this door out though, man. Oh, that's 6. Oh, I'm used. Oh, jeez. I'm used to the Type R being, you know, bottom right. Been driving the Civic too much. All right, so whilst we're here letting the car warm up and I'm unable to get out. Yes, I know you probably think, look, it's locked, but look, nope. yeah, I thought I might as well have a little discussion quickly and ramble a bit about what we're doing with this car. So initial plans were to break it straight away. You guys already know that. In the past week I've kind of been deliberating what I should do with it. Now that it's turned on and I can't seem to see any red flags, I mean, listen to that idle. I've heard TFSIs that sound bad, and trust me, this isn't one of them. Now that it's working, shall we just do some content with it before I get rid of it? Because I'm thinking, rather than breaking this car, I could potentially sell it as a whole car. Yeah, shall we do some videos like making it crazy and like, I don't know, making it shoot flames and stuff like that? I don't know. So yeah, get in the comments and let me know about what you think I should do with it. Should I go ahead and tell you guys why it sounds that good? Yeah, it's got an APR full 3-inch turbo back RSC exhaust on it. Yeah, proper rare. I've never even seen one before. Quite expensive new. Might end up nicking that exhaust and putting on the grey one. So yeah, that's one of the big mods that this car has, and why it tempted me to even pick it up, because it had this exhaust on it. These actually perfectly match each other because they're both 3-door manual and black. Stickers, as you guys know, I'm a sticker collector now. Evolution intake, quite a nice intake. E-bombs, I think people call it. Nothing else seems to be off, man. Whoa, got some steam coming from here. Okay, I might have identified why this thing apparently drinks coolant. See that steam? What I don't get yet is how have both of these got the same issue? It's just funny, man. If you're gonna watch the first drive video on that, go and watch it. You'll know exactly what I mean. This one seems to happen randomly. This one is just staying on though. Yeah, steaming like crazy. No problem though, I ain't worried. Let's move it back over there. Key thing to worry about is temperatures, guys. Everything else is fine. Right, back in the driver's seat with the Smoky collection. I think that's the new name, Smoky GTI and Smoky Type R. Oh, the radiator's coming on pretty crazy now. We're definitely gonna get that sorted at home before we take it for a drive. Basically cleaned the grill for me, hasn't it, with all that steam. Alright, so I just had a delivery to sign for. It's for the Civic. Shall I give you a little sneak peek? There you go. So let's get this thing jacked up, get the Pescaras off, and have a look at the suspension. But I think you guys will be surprised what suspension is on this car. Alright folks, so wheel off. There is one lovely Pescara back there. I'll show you the suspension now. They are relentless coilovers, so even more mods to be happy about if this thing actually runs, or even if I break it. These are the S38P brakes. Big old calipers they are. 345mm discs normally go on here. This car's got spacers on it. Explains the lengthy bolts there and maybe the suspect quality. These are adjustable. They do look a bit crusty now. If I just get maybe all that white paint's come off it, but thought I'd show you guys anyway. If these are still in good working order, it's a good shout. They're normally about £500–600 new, I'm pretty sure. They got adjustable top mounts as well, soft and hard. So the top mounts, don't know how good they are. Drop links as well that I've done, look, they look aftermarket to me. Maybe they're relentless ones because they kind of match the whole kind of silvery look. So we have got some work going on. We haven't got an anti-lift kit on this car, so you can get a better look at the exhaust from here too. Pretty sure this is the APR system because I was looking online at clips and it sounds exactly the same. And it's got the same huge kind of resonator. If you look under here, you see that huge box down there? Resonator box. Got this big back box here. Yep, those are relentless at the back, pretty sure. Yeah, they look aftermarket. This is a real nice grille as well. Look, it's actually smoothed off. There's no number plate area. Wonder how that would look on there. Car just looks good, man. I think, I'm not gonna lie, it is growing on me. When I did the first video, I was like, I prefer that kind of spec, but this one looks a bit more like a GTI, if I'm being honest. The whole red and black theme. Look at the state of the grey GTI right now, man. Like it's stuck in the mud or something. Yeah, I think what we'll do, we'll end the video here today. I was waiting for one of my mates to give me a hand, but he hasn't turned up. He's stuck in traffic on the motorway. Giving you guys a better look at this car now in all its glory, and some of the mods. We've changed the battery. It's ready to be driven on the road. Just hop in a second here. Sit down. It's an annoying thing with the UK, man. It gets dark at like 4. It's like 3:30 now, and I gotta prepare because the low light on the camera just starts getting fuzzy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to drop a like on if you did enjoy it. I'll get it taxed and I'll get it short term insured so we can drive it down to Coventry visit a few of the garages and find out what's up with it. But let me know in the comments what you want me to do with this car. But yeah, I'll stop rambling now. Make sure you look out for the video in a couple of days where we work on the Type R. Yeah guys, I'll see you in the next installment of Project Cars. That's what we call it. We just call it Project Cars. But yeah, I'll go now.